heard, earlier this morning, the Supreme Court delivered its judgment on the Lord Advocate's reference, seeking clarity on whether or not the Scotland Act 1998 allows the Scottish Parliament to legislate for a referendum on independence. First of all, while I am obviously very disappointed by it, I do respect and accept the judgment of the court. In securing Scotland's independence, we will always be guided by a commitment to democracy and respect for the rule of law. That is a principle, an important principle, but of course it also reflects a practical.
This is an emergency broadcast at the request of the Scottish Government. All television stations in Scotland have ceased their regular programming to broadcast the Declaration of Independence of Scotland from the United Kingdom to every Scottish citizen. Make sure that your device is audible. Ensure that your other devices are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, as you'll receive further instructions on such devices. Accessible versions of this alert are available online on gov.scot. Please stand by. Scotland will finally gain its long-deserved independence. This broadcast will provide the highlights of the Declaration of Independence sent to the British government. All 195 countries recognised by the United Nations have received a partial copy of the Declaration of Independence, together with a request for recognition as a sovereign country. The European Union has already recognised us as a sovereign state. The United Kingdom is not expected to accept our Declaration of Independence. Scotland is open to conversation with the British government, however our sovereignty is not up for discussions. Scotland will gain its independence no matter what. Scotland's official name is now the Republic of Scotland. Nicola Sturgeon has now become the first Prime Minister of the Republic of Scotland. The head of state of the Republic of Scotland is not the monarch of the United Kingdom, King Charles III, but a president which the Scottish public will elect soon. The official language of the Republic of Scotland is the English language. This language shall be used as the official language for government. Scottish Gaelic and Scots have both gained recognition as minority languages in the Republic of Scotland. The following is a small part of the opening quotes of the Declaration of Independence, submitted to the United Kingdom just a couple of minutes ago. The Declaration of Independence was ratified by the Scottish Government earlier today. The extract, which will be broadcast soon, was added at the request of the Scottish Prime Minister Nicola Sturgeon. When a government rejects multiple appeals for independence, it becomes necessary for citizens of said country to cut ties with their imperial colonisers. This requires consent amongst the public of said nation, which Scotland surely meets said criteria. The government of the United Kingdom in London has repeatedly ignored the Scottish people's appeal for independence. Tory leader after another has rejected the idea of letting democracy work in Scotland by having a referendum on Scottish independence. We hold truths such as democracy, European Union membership, equality and the right of liberty to be obvious and undebatable. However, multiple Tory governments have broken said ideas. This requires us to appeal to the world to give us what our coloniser won't. Independence has been gained at last.